My name is Dodd. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in California for 22 years, and here are my thoughts on the events that transpired yesterday in Minneapolis. Now, I know this is becoming a media spectacle. Depending on which side of the aisle you're on, you either think he's guilty and it's murder, or it's not guilty and it's justified. Now, look, we hear all this commentary on all the media saying, well, she wasn't trying to run him over. She was just trying to get away, therefore it's murder. That's not the standard. That's not the burden of proof that a prosecutor has to meet in a criminal case. If this case goes criminal, what the prosecutor has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt is that his use of deadly force was not justified. And it comes down to what that officer was thinking at the time, not what the lady's intent was, the lady that died, unfortunately. It's not what her intent was at the time, because we all saw the video. She's backing up, and it looks like she's either trying to get away or she could have been trying to hit him. We don't know. But think about this. If she tried to hit him, why didn't she just run him over when he was there? Why did she even back up? That's a whole separate issue. But the only issue is, did that officer, the ICE agent who pulled the trigger at the time, did he have a reasonable, good faith belief that she was about to cause imminent bodily harm or death? That's the only issue. The issue isn't, well, she wasn't trying to run him over. It's, what did he think at the time? What would a reasonable person in his position think at the time? Not what was she planning on doing, what did he think?